Growing up, we definitely did experience a lot of moments where we didn't feel we belonged.
We were born and brought up in the UK, in London, in a vibrant, diverse Indian community. I'm really proud of our roots.
But also going to school, we were often bullied for being brown or South Asian. And I think for us, we really couldn't fathom why are we getting ostracized from society? Why am I ashamed of this? Why do I want to suppress this? I'm Akash.
And I'm Nikki, and we're the founders of Fable in Maine. Our mission as a brand is to bring Indian beauty secrets to the West.
All our products are vegan, cruelty-free, and we're really proud to be clean at Sephora as well. We're the first ever sibling-founded brand at Sephora.
We want to work with the best, and Sephora is without a doubt the best beauty retailer I can say in the world.
And I think that was why from day one, it wasn't even a thought. We didn't even have to say it to each other. We were just like, Sephora, Sephora, and then boom. We were in the kitchen with them for over a year, working with the marketing team, and it's been a dream. We learned a lot about our Indian culture through our grandma's visits from India. She used to make these Ayurvedic hair potions in the kitchen and massage these oils into our hair at night. While she was massaging these oils, she would tell us fascinating fables. So it was sort of like our story time. So for this is why hair care rituals were really what we knew and what we grew up with.
During a time of stress, working for a corporate brand, I experienced a lot of hair loss, and that really affected my self-confidence. And in India, people oil their hair daily because that leads to healthy hair, massaging your scalp.
We were like, let's go to the market and let's go to the retail stores and see what we can find. And no products had Ayurvedic in the forefront. No products had these ingredients.
That's why I went back to the kitchen, started making these remedies. And over time, oiling my hair, I saw a dramatic increase in hair growth.
And Nikki came to me one day with this idea. We said, let's come together and let's see what we can do.
We took this Ayurvedic, recipe, 4,000-year-old recipe, and modernized it with modern science. It's working with the best labs in the US and French perfumers to bring the best of East and West. And I think that's what makes Fable in Maine so unique.
We've been through that hardship of feeling that we don't belong. So we really made sure from day one we formulated this for all hair types, all skin color, scalp types, everyone. And we really wanted to be as inclusive as possible. You have to champion inclusivity as far as you can, and we all have a duty to that, really making everyone feel that they belong. And unfortunately, our grandma's no longer with us, but we really feel that her spirit is continued through our own childhood memories. She would be so proud of the fact that we really have taken everything she told us and made it into a way of life.